Hey there and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I'll show you how to register for the Windows Insider program on the web. You can start by opening your browser of choice and then doing a Google search for the Windows Insider program. The best match should be the Windows Insider program like you see here. Just click on the link to go to the web page. On the next page, scroll down and find the register button here and click on it. On the next page, you'll be prompted to sign in to a Microsoft account to continue with the registration. So go ahead and click on Sign In Now. You'll be taken to the Microsoft account sign-in page. You need to create a new account if you don't have a Microsoft account. But if you already have a Microsoft account, just sign in with your email address and password. Once that's done, you'll see this page where you can continue to register for the Windows Insider program. Click on this checkbox here to accept the terms and then click on Register Now. This will complete the registration and then you just need to click on Flight Now. Now you'll be able to download and test out Windows builds that are only available to Windows Insiders. If you want to see how to download the Windows Insider ISO files, click the video on screen now. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.